Hi families. Today I'm going to show you how we do our letter cards. We do the letter, the object, and then the sound. In our classroom, we also incorporate sign language to help the kids just really be able to make those connections. So here we go. T, top, t. And then the kids would echo T, top, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. N, nut, n. M, man, mm. I, itch. And I always go itch, I. U, up, C, cat, k. O, octopus, A, apple, a. G, it looks like this. G, game, g. D, dog, d. S, snake, s. E, ed, e. R, rat, it's r. P, pan, p. J, jug, j. L, lamp, l. K, kite, k. H, hat, h. V, van, v. W, win, w, w. Y, yellow, y. X, fox, x. Z, zebra, z. And then we do QU together, so it's QU, queen, qu. All right, thank you.